Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In today's Leads Leap review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profitable passive income has recently come in as a Leads Leap affiliate. I'll just refresh my page here, and what we're looking at is this particular row here, total income $1,940. Now, the great thing about these affiliate commissions is you can earn these as a free lifetime member. So I'm going to click on this Pro button here in the top left-hand corner of the menu. And what it does, it gives you a membership comparison between free and pro. Now, if you wish to do so, you can stay free for life. It's a free lifetime membership. Now, when I scroll down all the way to the bottom here, it says affiliate commissions in this row. Now, in the free column on the left, you'll earn 25% monthly recurring commissions. So even if it's not within your budget just yet to upgrade to Pro, join for free, start promoting, start creating free funnels, and when you get some referrals, you'll start to earn, as a free member, 25% recurring commissions. If it's within your budget, upgrade to Pro, which is the right-hand column down here, and then you'll get 50% monthly recurring commissions. So what I did, I joined for free, and I promoted Leads Leap until I got enough 25% monthly recurring commissions coming in, and then I upgraded to Pro, and that's where you can start to earn those higher ones there. So the link in the description will take you to this page here. In the top right hand corner, get your free membership, free lifetime membership. Set up a username, a valid email address, your first name, and create a password, and click sign up now. And then you'll get into the members area. Now you're going to get all of this for free. I've never seen so much value given with a free lifetime membership than what you'll get with the Leads Leap. Not only the tools to be able to promote offers, not only earning passive income commissions, but also getting traffic to your websites on thousands of websites all over the internet. So if you want more information on what these tools do, scroll down, and this is how Leads Leap works. If you want to know how to get traffic for free, just click on there, and it will show you 4 ways Leads Leap gets you traffic and leads. If you want to know how to build a list for free, we do recommend you start list building. It's the best asset you can have online. Then this shows you, tells you, explains all about SendSteed, which is the Leads Leap list manager. If you want to know how to make money for free, it shows you here 5 ways that you can make money with Leads Leap. So I recommend just having a good look round. You've got nothing to lose. Just set your free account up, come into your members area over here, and don't get overwhelmed by all of this information. You're not going to use 90% of it when you first start. Just take your time and learn the skills and develop the skills. Now, there's a couple of ways you can develop your skills with Leads Leap. Number one is, if I go back onto, let me go on to here. So if you go on to click on any of these menus down here, in this top right hand corner you'll see tutorials. Now if you're someone that likes to learn through reading and images, then these are step-by-step tutorials. So if you want to let's go into another one here. That's my reviews. If you want to learn how to build a list, go into List Manager here and just click on Tutorial, and it will show you how to build a list for free. Should I build a list? Why should you build a list? And it gives you all the reasons there. How to set up email notification when someone opts in. And that's all information here. So if you like to learn through text and image, then those tutorials are absolutely superb. Now, what I want to give you is a set of free video tutorials. So the link in the description will take you to this page here, and this is a Leads Leap training course that will teach you on the right hand side every feature on how to use it with video training. Now, if you're like me, I like to learn through videos. It all depends on your learning style. Some people learn through video, some people learn through reading and images. So whatever's best for you, we've got the answer to help you learn how to use Leads Leap and get your best from the platform. You'll see some of these videos here, 17 minutes long, 22 minutes long, 16 minutes long, 10 minutes long. They're very detailed, and just take your time. There's no rush. You can get your free lifetime membership. And I want to show you some proof now that, and also one of my favorite features in using the tools are the share codes. Now, a share code is something you just copy and paste, and it will clone lead capture pages like this. It will also clone pages like this. All right, so this is my buyer's traffic. This is my buyer's traffic passive income system. So if you're new to my channel, go and have a look at this, because it'll teach you how to get your buyer's traffic for free and earn passive income of $13,000 with it, and it only cost me $35 a month. You can start for just $5. So you can get funnels like this with share codes that other Leads Leap members will gladly give you, and all you do is copy and paste. I do video tutorials here. All you do is just copy and paste watching these videos, and you can clone the lead capture pages, you can clone the welcome pages like this with proof on, and you can also clone the email follow-ups. Now, the SendSteed autoresponder and list builder is absolutely superb. Now, one of the reasons I joined Leads Leap was for the list builder and autoresponder, because you can pay one price and for monthly price if you upgrade, and you can have unlimited subscribers on your email lists. Now, without knocking other autoresponders, because they're all great and they all do the job, but if you look at other autoresponders, what happens with a lot of them, the more email subscribers that you get, the monthly subscription price goes up. Not the case with the Leads Leap. If you upgrade to Pro, it's a fixed price, not just for the autoresponder, but for all these tools that you're going to be able to use in the menu down the left-hand side here. Absolutely superb value. Now, there's a couple of things you need to be aware of when list building if you're new, and that's deliverability into the inbox. And that's why SendSteed is another reason why I use it, because if you look at my one of my click engine email lists here, you'll see that in the sent column, 738 emails have been sent out, but 327 have been opened. That's a 44% open rate. Now, that is extremely high. That's well above the industry average. Now, what that means to me, what that tells me, it tells me that my emails are not going into promotions, They're not going into spam, they're going into the inbox. And you'll see down here the high percentage of opens continues throughout the series: 37%, 36%, 34%. The industry average, I think, is between 10 and 20%. So another reason there. Now, because you get opens, that means you're going to get clicks. You need clicks within your emails. If you're not getting clicks, you're not going to make any commissions or sales. No one's going to buy, because they're not only not opening your email, they're not even going to be able to get access to be able to click on your offer where you can earn commissions. Now, you'll see the click engine is one of my offers here. I use funnels, lead capture pages, autoresponder follow-ups for the majority of my offers that I promote. Now, I'm going to give you a live example. I'm live here in my Warrior Plus account, and you'll see, if you look down here at the products, you'll see Traffic Blaster, you'll see Easy Clicks, you'll see Click Traffic Cyclone, you'll see the click engine that I just showed you here, the click engine, the click generator, the click engine. So all of these are part of my buyer's traffic passive income system. That's these 5 products here, buyer's traffic numbers 1 to 5. Now, what you'll notice is that the amount of commissions and sales and products that I've sold. So this cost me $35 a month to buy these products, and I've earned $13,366 in commissions. Now, these are recurring payments. These arrows down here, circular arrows, are monthly recurring payments. Products that I've sold, $26,384 in sales value. And on the left-hand column here, I've sold 2,973 products. But I've done that by using the Leads Leap tools, lead capture pages, welcome pages, autoresponder follow-ups, proof videos, and I've created funnels for all of these. If you go onto my channel, I'll give you all my funnels for free to help you become successful online. So if there will be an income and product disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims, product claims, or any guarantees in this video. It is for educational purposes only. If you enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new uploads. Excuse me. So currently on the channel here, I'm doing several new uploads every week. If you've got any questions or comments, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer those for you. And I always put my email address in the description if you want to contact me through email or you'd like any help. I'll reply to you as soon as I can. So what I recommend you do is come into the link in the description, click on this page here, come and get your free lifetime membership. Just join through. You can either join through here, or you can join through the top right hand corner, and then the link in the description will give you the Lead Sleep training course, and then you can just come and have a look in your members area and have a look down the left hand side here and see the absolutely superb value you're going to get with Lead Sleep. Now, here's a quick start guide. So when you first opt in, I recommend going through these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go through these 9 steps here, because that's a quick start guide for absolute beginners that are new to the platform. And I'm sure you'll agree, it's just really is superb value, even if you stay free lifetime or if you decide you want to upgrade to Pro. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.